Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 10.1 inch Android tablet. This is equipped with an octa-core processor, 24 gigabyte of RAM, 128 gigabyte of ROM. This one does have an IPS touchscreen, 8-hour battery with Wi-Fi 6. Alright, so right here we have our Android tablet. This is a 10.1 inch tablet. This is running Android 15. It has a 10.1 inch FHD 1280 by 800. It can go up to 1 terabyte of SD card. It is a 24 gigabyte RAM, 120 gigabyte of ROM. This does have a 5,000 milliamp battery. It has a 5 megapixel front camera, 8 megapixel rear camera. It is 540 grams or 9 millimeters. This is the tablet inside the box. This is your user manual. You do get the power plug. You also get the wire, which is a Type-C. This one is a long-lasting battery with 5,000 milliamp battery, so you can go up to 8 hours of videos, 12 hours of music, 12 hours of browsing, 30 days by standby. This does use a Type-C. It is a 10.1 inch wide viewing angle, 1280 by 800 multi-touch, 16:10 golden ratio. It also has face recognition. Again, this does have an 8 megapixel rear camera, 5 front camera. This has dual stereo speakers. This is really lightweight. It does give you an expansion pack right here. You can go up to 1 terabyte. It also has an octa-core processor. So this is the expansion pack. This is a Type-C. Let's go ahead and open up the SD card slot. So right there, you'll just install your SD card slot all the way up to 1 terabyte. So it does come equipped with the 24 gigabyte of memory and 128 gigabyte of storage. So right here you have your front, volume up, volume down. You got your power button, your slot. So let's go ahead and turn this on. So I guess it was already on, so we're just going to get out of there. We're going to set this up. As soon as we set this up, we can go into the stats, so I can show you right here. This is a really nice tablet. I like the fact that it's really thin, sleek. It is lightweight. It is literally really thin. I'd say probably less than a pound. So okay, now that we're in the system right here, it says it's got a 5,000 milliamp battery, 8 megapixel front or main camera, 5 in the front. The processor is 8. It's 4 plus 20 gigabytes. So this is a really nice tablet. So I'm going to do a little bit of scrolling. Let's go ahead and go into YouTube. So you can use it either in landscape or portrait mode. You do got to change the aspect ratio, meaning just turn it from left or right. So we're just going into YouTube right now. Just click on one of my videos and then we'll go ahead and play a video so you can hear the sound.
Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mari for Unbox Product Review. Today I'm going to do something a little different. Over the past few days I've been working.
So that's with the speakers on this tablet. This is a really nice tablet. I like the fact that it's running an octa-core processor, 25 gigabyte of memory, 128 gigabyte of storage. If you're looking for a nice, good quality tablet, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one here is a super nice one. I like the fact that it does give you the memory expansion.